Jai Shri Mahakal, Jai Baba Sahib. I welcome you all to our YouTube channel, Baba Sahib's Aromatherapy. In this video, we are going to deal with the best example of the country from 1930-35, which is the example of national unity, which is the Sthan. In the country and the world, where distance are being created between people in the name of caste and religion, there is a religious place in Ajmer which has been illuminated by the teachings of humanity for centuries by Baba Sahib. Here, the azan in the mosque and the arti in the Shiv temple gives peace of mind to the people coming here. People of all religion come to pay obeisance to Baba Sahib. Muslims offer namaz in the mosque present in the campus, while Hindus offer prayers in Shivalaya, that is Shiv Mandir. The special thing is that this place is known as the national unity, or is an example of national unity in diversity, not from today, but from around 1930, where Baba Sahib himself constructed a Shiv Mandir into his Sthan. So let's see the video and analyze what is important and supernatural into Baba Sahib's Sthan. Baba Badam Shah's Sthan is located near Sombalpur village of Ajmer. This is the 8th Dargah of the Sufi Ovaisiya order in India. The remaining 5 are in Rampur and 2 in Jhansi. Baba Badam Shah was born in 1870 in Gala village in Manipur district of Uttar Pradesh. At the age of 14, Baba Badam Shah came in contact with Saint Prem Das. Since then, he became so desirous of spirituality that he left his family and relatives. Since then, he became a Sufi follower. Saint Prem Das made him his disciple and told him that he'll get the Guru in Ajmer. In the country and the world where distance are being created between people in the name of caste and religion, there is a religious place in Ajmer which has been illuminated by the teachings of humanity for centuries. Here, the azan in the mosque and the arti in the Shiv temple gives peace of mind to the people coming here. People all of all religion come to pay obeisance at Baba Badam Shah Sthan. Muslims offer namaz in the mosque present in the campus, which you can see, while Hindus offer prayers in Shivalaya. This is the main gate where the Sthan is located. This is made up of silver. The special thing is that the priests of the Sthan have been Hindus for years. This Sthan is located in Sambalpur, is an example of national unity and diversity. Ajmer is the religious and pilgrimage city, the center of faith of crores of Hindus. In the temple of Jagat Pita Lord Brahma in Pushkar, while the Dargah of Sufi Saint Khwaja Moinuddin Hassan Chishti in Ajmer is also famous in the country and the world. Ajmer is giving the message of humanity and love to the country and the world for centuries. Baba Badam Shah Sthan, which is included in these major religious places, has been important and has also become an example of national unity. It is having, as you can see, it is having the stoop as well as minars, which is a combination of Hindu and Muslim construction, which is connecting human beings with humanity for years. This is Taragarh place. So the total place is in between the midst of hills, which are in Aravallis. Baba Badam Shah's Dargah is located in Sambalpur at Byawar Road of Ajmer city and has been teaching humanity to the people for centuries. Here, the Muslims worship also visit the Shiv temple with the same devotion as Hindus go to the temple. It is said that the Sthan of Sufi Ovasia, a series, is known of eighth Dargah in the country. This is the Shiv temple